Yeah, my name is Lars and I'm one of the founders and was CDO at Sitecore, one of the unicorn business of Denmark until last year. Now I invest in businesses, data-driven businesses, done 15 investments in businesses who utilize data, machine learning, AI, and associated technologies. And I also advise major organizations into becoming data-driven businesses. Well, I think essentially the world is changing, and what we're seeing is a rapid movement towards becoming data-driven businesses. Data talk is really relevant because we have been through journeys of big data. Now people are discussing machine learning, but the thing is you cannot do big data. You can do big data, but you cannot do machine learning. You cannot get sense out of the data unless the data is clean, it's accurate, and your organization itself is matured enough and willing enough to do the investments in that data. Well, I think there are two things that is really important. The first thing is, how do you anchor, the decision to be data-driven, not at some individuals in the organization, but within the entire organization. How do you turn the organization itself into a data-driven business, rather than having some people in the organization understanding that? Because you will never succeed unless you start utilizing data in the entire organization. The second thing I think is important is, when you've made that decision, somebody is willing to commit, how do you do your first steps?